Okay, I just got a new toy here. I saw people using this and I kind of got interested in and ordered one for myself. It's neck mount for action camera and phone. And it's only, I think, like $12. And I ordered through Amazon. I'll put the link below. And basically this set comes with a mount for a smartphone, which I won't really be using, but if you're interested, you can mount your phone to this neck mount. And this is how it looks. And since I don't have a GoPro, I actually have a Sony Action Cam X3000. I don't have the GoPro mount, so I also bought this Gopro Adapter, which I will need. And basically, I just take off this part, mount this here, and then I'm ready to put my camera to this mount upside down, really. And in the camera setting, you can change it to inverted camera view. And that way you can shoot it upside down. So basically, after this is mounted, just release this part and put it around your neck and clip it back and start walking. I am going to go to a nearby park and do a video test so you can see how it looks. Okay, I have the Sony Action Cam FDR-X3000 on the neck mount. So there are 3 modes of SteadyShot on this camera: active, standard, and off. So this is the first one is the active SteadyShot. So I'm walking on a flat surface. And it's really interesting because it's almost like playing a video game if you were to watch this video. This is a standard SteadyShot, walking on a flat surface. Okay, and this is with the SteadyShot off. Okay, now we're gonna switch to grassy area, not as flat. The first one is gonna be active SteadyShot. The second one here is standard SteadyShot. Okay, this is with SteadyShot off. Alright, so this is it with the camera test on neck mount. Hope you like it, and see you next time.